Attending an open house is exciting, but it's important to know what to look for beyond the home's curb appeal. While a home might look perfect at first glance, there could be hidden issues that aren't immediately obvious. That's why it's essential to go in with a game plan and ask the right questions. First, pay attention to the home's overall condition. Look at the floors, ceilings, and walls for any cracks or water stains or uneven surfaces. This could indicate past or current structural issues. Check if windows and doors open and close properly, as this could reveal potential foundation problems. Also, take note of unusual odors. Musty smells could signal mold or water damage. Next, consider the functionality of the home. Does the layout work for your lifestyle? Are there enough bedrooms and bathrooms? And think about storage space, parking, and the backyard. Also, listen for unusual noises such as squeaky floors, loud plumbing, or excessive street noise, which could be a deal breaker. Finally, don't be afraid to ask questions. Find out about the age of the roof, the HVAC system, and the water heater. Ask about the neighborhood, HOA fees, and planned developments nearby. An open house is your chance to gather as much information as possible before making a decision. Looking for a home and need expert advice? Give me a call at 919-740-0379 and make it a great day.